Attention, people of Valtoria. This is Dr. Alina Torres, Head of Medicine of Valtoria. Today, I want to speak to you about the last pandemic and the lessons we learned as a city. It was a difficult time. Many people went down with the illness, many families were afraid, and our hospitals became full very quickly. During the pandemic, many patients had congestion, fever, cough, upset stomach, and strong headaches. Some people also had migraines because of stress, fever, and lack of sleep. Many citizens felt under the weather for several days, but they did not rest enough. If people had rested earlier, they might not have felt so weak for so many days. One of the biggest problems was dehydration. Many sick people did not drink enough water, especially when they had fever. Their bodies lost too much liquid, and their condition became worse. If people had stayed hydrated, they wouldn't have suffered from dehydration. This is why drinking water is one of the simplest but most important actions during an illness. We also saw that some people continued going to work, school, and public places while they were sick. This helped the illness spread faster. If sick people had stayed home, the disease wouldn't have spread so quickly. Staying home when you are sick is not laziness, it is responsibility. Some simple home remedies helped with mild symptoms. For example, many people used gargle with salt water to reduce throat pain. Others rested, drank warm liquids, and ate healthy food to support their immune system. If people had taken better care of their immune system, they might not have gotten sick so easily. However, home remedies were not enough for serious cases. Some patients needed a doctor, a prescription, and professional treatment. If some patients had gotten a prescription on time, they could have received the correct medicine earlier. Medicine must be used carefully, and people should not take pills without medical advice. During the pandemic, even small health problems became serious. Some people had small cuts or wounds, but they did not clean them correctly. Later, those wounds became infected. If they had cleaned their wounds with antiseptic, they might not have gotten an infection. We also saw people with skin problems who ignored their symptoms. If they had applied ointment earlier, the rash might not have spread. In the most serious cases, some patients developed inflammation in their lungs. They had difficulty breathing, and their condition took a turn for the worse. If those patients had received medical attention earlier, their condition might not have taken a turn for the worse. Some people even had to go under the knife because other health problems became too serious during the crisis. The last pandemic taught us that prevention saves lives. If we had followed medical advice sooner, we would have protected more people. If we had acted together earlier, Valtoria would have suffered less. We cannot change the past, but we can learn from it. Today, as Head of Medicine of Valtoria, I ask every citizen to stay responsible. Wash your hands, stay home when you are sick, drink enough water, take care of your immune system, use treatments correctly, and when symptoms become serious, ask for medical help. Valtoria is stronger now because we learned from the past. Let us protect our health, our families, and our city.